In this video, I'm going to walk you through the key features and benefits of Perplexity Pro to help you decide if it's the right upgrade for your needs. To start, I'm looking at the breakdown of the free plan versus the Pro subscription, noting that while the free tier offers standard AI search, the Pro version unlocks much more advanced capabilities. One of the most significant features I have access to is the Model Console, which allows me to toggle between top-tier models like GPT-4o, Claude 3.5, and Gemini. This system intelligently selects the best model for my specific query or lets me choose one based on its unique strengths in reasoning or creative writing. Next, I'm exploring the Unlimited Deep Research tool, which is a standout feature for anyone doing serious investigative work. Instead of a single answer, the system conducts multiple searches across the web, evaluates the relevance of sources, and synthesizes the findings into a comprehensive cited report. As I scroll through the pricing and comparison table, it's clear that the $20 monthly fee is aimed at professional researchers, analysts, and content creators. The Pro plan offers significantly higher rate limits and access to the dedicated Comet browser, making it a much more robust tool for high-volume work. While casual users might find the free version sufficient, the Pro upgrade transforms the experience into a high-level research assistant that prioritizes accuracy and depth. Ultimately, Perplexity Pro is built for those who need a search-first AI that provides reliable, cited information in a structured and efficient format. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.